It is common to observe that firms compete with each other in the market. For example, from the world of airlines, SkyWest may compete with Emirates to gain more market share. We can also observe that firms will cooperate with each other in the market. For example, an original equipment manufacturer may outsource a part of its production to a contract manufacturer. So, this is a case where the OEM cooperates with the contract manufacturer. Interestingly, in some business scenarios, we observe that firms cooperate and compete at the same time. This is referred to as coopetition in economics literature. In today's video, let's look at two examples where firms cooperate and compete at the same time. The first example is from the world of consumer electronics. Consider these two firms, Samsung and Apple. These two firms are competitors and compete with each other in the electronics market. Interestingly, in the latest release of iPhone 14, Apple procured 82% of the screens from Samsung. What this implies is that not only is Samsung competing with Apple, Samsung is also acting as a part supplier to Apple. Within this context, if we look at the total profit of Samsung, it will come from two components. One is the profit from the sales of Samsung phones, and the other is the profit from the sales of iPhones. While it is obvious that if Samsung sells more Samsung phones, its profit will increase. Interestingly, in this scenario, when the sales of iPhones increases, that also increases Samsung's profit because Samsung is also a supplier for Apple. Let's look at the next example from the world of FMCG. Consider these two firms, Procter & Gamble and Walmart. Procter & Gamble produces a product and sells it to the end consumer through a retailer, which is Walmart. This traditional channel for sales is called the retail channel. In this channel, Procter & Gamble is cooperating with Walmart for selling products through the retail channel. But at the same time, customers can go online and buy products directly from Procter & Gamble's website in many markets. This is called as a direct-to-consumer channel. In this channel, Procter & Gamble is competing with Walmart. Hence, here is a scenario where two firms are cooperating with each other in one channel of distribution, whereas they are competing with each other in another channel of distribution. Such complex business scenarios make decision making difficult for firms. Game theory is a powerful mathematical tool that helps to model, analyze, and generate managerial insights in such complex business scenarios. If you're interested to learn more about this topic, follow my course on game theory for decision making.